Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up the Canon PIXMA MP150 printer software on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA MP150 support and go ahead and search for that. Best result should say Canon support for PIXMA MP150. Go ahead and open that up. And then you should see a picture of our printer over here. And just scroll down underneath downloads and expand the software and drivers section. Going underneath the third category here, select the My Printer item and select download. Once it's downloaded to our system, go ahead and open up that file to run it. And it should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes and then walk through the installation guide that you see on my screen here. And then you can create a shortcut desktop if you choose and select finish. And then hopefully your printer should be connected at this point. If you're still having a problem, you may need to open up that utility and select the diagnose and repair printer option on this page and then yes, and then walk through the common troubleshooting steps that it recommends. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.